Hello again. My name is Jeffrey Davis. This is Radio Entrepreneurs, and we're still at 33 countries and counting. We've had over 800,000 people connect with us. Let's keep it going. I know this person's going to join us on our Radio Entrepreneurs social networking, and I think everybody else is going to enjoy him as well. It's John Gleason, who I've had a lot of fun with offline, from Supporting Strategies North Shore. Hi, John.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Thanks for having me this morning.
I appreciate it. John, well, I don't know about Supporting Strategies North Shore, so why don't you give me a little background and history?
Well, thank you for the opportunity. Supporting Strategies North Shore provides transactional bookkeeping services to small businesses on the North Shore of Boston. Typically, our businesses range anywhere in size from $1 million to $10 million in revenues across all different types of business silos. Software companies, defense contractors, not-for-profits, manufacturing, retailers, and so forth.
What's the history of the whole organization?
It's a very interesting history. We're a Boston-based company. We actually started in 2004 at the Cambridge Innovation Center. We were actually the bookkeeper for the Cambridge Incubator prior to the Cambridge Innovation Center, and we still, our corporate parent, Supporting Strategies Boston, still does their books. And the company was founded by a lady named Leslie Jorgensen, who was a professional bookkeeper and an MBA and local mom as well. And about 2 years ago, she decided to begin franchising. I became one of the franchisees here in the Boston area, and we're now national. We actually spread out to California. There's about 35 franchisees, of which I am one.
So could you give me a sense of what kind of offerings you have to the marketplace and who it goes to exactly?
Most definitely, I would love to. So what we provide for our business clients is accounts payable services, accounts receivable, collections. We provide a P&L statement each and every month. We do a balance sheet. We do the transactions for the business owners so they can focus on their core business. We also do some HR admin and back office, if you will, work, again, in order for the clients to focus on their core business. Our business bookkeepers are full-charge bookkeepers who have a minimum of 10 years in the business, and they all have finance or accounting degrees as well. So we use professional full-charge bookkeepers to provide these services to small companies wherein oftentimes they cannot afford or they don't have access to these types of professionals to provide these services in a virtual delivery environment.
I work with a lot of small businesses. A lot of the controllers I know are one-armed paper hangers. They can't keep up. When I get along with them, they're telling me, Jeff, I'm overworked, I'm overwhelmed, I don't have enough support. Are you a backroom support contract service for that controller?
Yes. Typically, CPAs and controllers don't do transactional bookkeeping. We actually are their right arm. We help them to provide the services that they provide.
So you're more tactical day-to-day for the controller than the accounting firm would be.
You
so
have
the
it.
accounting firm would refer you into their client who seems overwhelmed or not keeping up.
Yes, sir. We would actually.
So you love
streamline.
accountants.
We love accountants. We work with them every single day. About 40% of my business comes from accounting firms.
Well, that's really good. Do you tend to focus on certain size companies?
Yes, that's a very good question. We tend to focus on companies with about 1 million to 10 million in revenues. However, there are outliers. We do work for not-for-profits with 300,000 in annual revenues, and we do have several clients that are above 100 million in revenues, but our focus is really the $1 to $10 million growing company.
Because they're the ones who are growing and are short-staffed and need more internal documentation and tracking than they're capable of doing themselves.
Exactly, and we have expertise with third-party contractors and application companies that interface with QuickBooks. We're typically working inside the QuickBooks operating application, but we also have expertise in Great Plains and Peachtree and other accounting softwares as well.
If somebody wants to find you at Supporting Strategies North Shore, how would they do that?
There's several ways. They can navigate to supportingstrategies.com and find me under locations, and my phone number is 617-714-2085.